Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel ExcelVBA Expert. In today's video, we are going to solve top 3 complex MIS questions. So after a long time, actually, we are solving these MIS questions, and we should never forget it. The reason being is the Excel, which means MIS is the base, okay, from where, okay, our foundation of the calculation or the foundation of to working towards the data actually becomes more stronger, right? So let's solve these three questions. These are the three questions which will help you to to solve and to increase your thought process when it comes about to solving the complex where you have a lot of criteria, where you do have a lot of logics. So let us start from the question number one. This is something which is very simple. The question here, it says that you do have a data set in A and B column, and in F column that you will have to extract out the sales from the A and B column. That is the simple requirement. But here we do have one page that is that you will have to only, because if you will look at the A column, so in A column my employee IDs are being repeated, right? So here the things, what the most of the users, most of the learners, most of the people might would think we can do it with the VLOOKUP. So you guys know very well that yes, it can be possible with the VLOOKUP, but you will have to use your brain. Okay, how you can get it? Simple. The VLOOKUP always will return you the first occurrence result, right? For example, your 22 is coming on the row number 2 here. Okay, so sales will be 16403, right? But here the question is that we have to get the last sales of a case, last sales against each employee. For example, this is the employee ID, and we do have 222 many times in a column. Okay, and the last is 222 is coming on row number 23, which means this is the last employee ID against which, against this, whatever the sales we do have, we need to put it in the F column. Okay, we in such a way that we will have to apply the formula. So what we can do, first thing, okay, first thing what we need to do is we have to take a one helping column. Without helping column also it is possible, but I am just solving it with the helping column so that everyone can understand the logic very easily. So let's insert one first column and give the name as help. Okay, here you will have to put the running count if. Okay, so this running countif will return you the occurrence value, or I mean the count in the running way. For example, 22 is here, it is repeating one time here, then again when you will come on row number 5, the 22 is coming on the second, I mean this is the second occurrence value. So if you will look at the A column, so A column is telling you that this is the second time 222 is repeating in the B column. Okay, this is how that we understand the running count if. We just simply need to concatenate the same with the employee ID. So A column is now your unique thing. Now, but we have to also make a lookup value also same what we have in A column. So first, here you also need to get the how many times. Okay, 2 is repeating in the B column. So this is the maximum count. Okay, maximum count. For example, 2 is repeating 3 times in B column. Okay, so third will be your the endest value in the B column. Okay, only of 2 employee ID. So this is the lookup value. Now simply you have to concatenate with the employee ID. So this is now your lookup value, and against it, what you have to do, you have to do simple VLOOKUP. Now this is a lookup value. This is the something where we need to use our brain, right? And after that, column in table array. So the table array is from A column to C column, and we want this third column, right? So 3 0, enter. So this is the sales, guys. Okay, this is the sales. If you look at 222 is here, 19158 19158 444. So let's search how many times 4 is coming. 4 is coming, one last is 16543, 16543, which means this formula is working fine. So you have to work on the lookup value, you have to work on the A column as well, right? When such a question come, maybe if I will tell you that just only get the value where I mean you get the value, not the last sales of the employee ID. Okay, I want you to get the sales of wherever your employee ID is repeating, I mean at the second repetition. Okay, wherever your employee ID is repeating second time, then second against the second line item, whatever the sales we do have in the C column, I want that. So how you will do that? Just try at home, okay, and let me know in the comment box, okay, if you will face any problem. Okay, so this is the simple question number one. Now let's move to the question number two. Here it says unable to drag the formula. Please check the formula if it is correct or not. When I type any name in column name, then formula. Simple. What it says, for example, I want the first name here. So simple, I can use the formula left. Okay, find and simple this formula. This formula will give you the first name. Okay, when you drag, so might you will get this hash value error. That is hash value always comes whenever the data type is mismatched, right? So what is the problem here? So here everything is correct. You look there, we do not have any space, but here we do have, the different type of spaces as well, right? So here what we need to do, we have to use the space as char 160. The 160 might be a lot of people might would have seen your data is correct, your formula is correct, and everything is correct, but still your formula is not working. That is something only just because of your spaces, right? So if I'll use here sorry substitute, and I would like to replace char 160. This is the space type as well, comma simple space. Okay, this is your formula. When I copy it, okay, I just copy it, and I just want to simple here, I can use it, right? Just copy it and write here left, then find, then space, then paste the formula, because in this formula we do have the I mean this text. Okay, Umesh Kumar Chaurasia. Okay, -1, enter. Here you will get your first name. This is something which is very easily. But when you will try on this data, okay, without cleaning it, so might you will get to see such a output, hash value error. Okay, just because of non just because of the space type. Okay, so you have to take care. This is the formula, and I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. Okay, now let's go to the question number 3. In the question number 3 it says, okay, find out the minimum positive value. When you will write here as minimum might you will get to see only negative value. Okay, because minimum always will return the minimum value, right? But here also when we have one condition, I want only the positive, I want the minimum value. Okay, when I want the only minimum value of the positive list. So here first let's make the positive list. If anything is less than 0, then it should be hyphen, else same list. This is the list. Okay, here you guys can see my all the negative values has been removed. Okay, less than 0. Okay. Now what you can do is simple right here minimum. This formula will help you to get the minimum value. 1 is coming. Okay, 1 is the minimum value. You look. Okay, if you will ignore the negative one. So these are the three questions. Might you would have liked it. Okay, and let me know in the comment box if you guys have any question, and I will attach this file in the description box. From there you guys can download it for your practice. Okay, so thank you so much everyone for watching the video. Thanks a lot.